Good morning, student of class 4th. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, student, I am teaching you chapter number 15 and date is 23/9/2020 and name of the chapter is caring and sharing. So, student, let recapitulate what we have studied in the previous video. Okay, so all of you open page number 88. So student, in previous video we discussed about the school property. School is also known as our extended home because after home the maximum time which we spend, that is our school. So school has given you lot of facilities. So student, you have to also take care of the things or which facility you get from the school. So few points I have already discussed with you. How can you cooperate, and even I give you one homework that you write 2 or 3 points. How can you take care of the school property? Okay, so these things I have already discussed with you. After that we discuss caring for the public properties. So here we discuss that we should not damage the street lights, okay, and we do not throw garbage on the streets and pavements. Is not a throwing garbage on the street and pavements is not a good thing. जो मेन रोड के साइड में रोड नहीं होते हैं बेटा, पेडिस्ट्रियंस को जो वॉक करके जाते हैं, उनकी बात की गई है यहाँ पे, ठीक है। तो वहां भी वी शुड नॉट थ्रो गार्बेज इन दैट प्लेसेस आल्सो, ओके। मेन रोड के दोनों साइड जो लोग पैदल जाते हैं उनके लिए एक पाथ सी बनी होती है. सो डोंट मेक डर्टी दैट पाथ बाई throwing the garbage on that, okay. After that we discuss here that there should be trees along the side of the roads, because tree also give us shade also, and there are many things that we are depend upon the plants. Even you are getting your living gas, that is oxygen from the plants, okay. So don't cut the trees. Even the government has imposed heavy fines for illegal cutting of trees. So without the permission of the forest department, if you are cutting the trees, then you have to pay the fine, and if you don't pay the fine, then even you will send to the jail also. So student, government has make strict rules that no one cut the trees, because trees are our lifeline. Without trees life is possible? No. Without trees life is not possible. So student, today we will discuss public transport, train and buses. Okay. Now see student, trains, railway station, bus station belongs to everybody. That is the reason we put it under the heading public transport. So this is a public property. Is it clear? Everyone is using this services. Okay. Now see student, trains, railway station and bus station belongs to everyone. Everyone wants to travel in clean and comfortable train, buses or airplanes. So it is our duty to look after our public transport. We should take care of public transport. So student, see, you want to play in that type of a environment or in that surrounding which is not neat and clean? Answer is no. So student, many times we are traveling in the buses or maybe in the train and by the aeroplanes also. So we want that places should be neat and clean, so that it is. And see student, many persons are there who work in these areas. ठीक है, बहुत से लोग बेटा वहां काम करते हैं, वेदर इट इज ए रेलवे स्टेशन, ओके, और वेदर इट इज ए बस स्टैंड और वेदर इट्स अ एयरपोर्ट. This thing I have already discussed in chapter number 14 also, community services. So many persons are doing hard work so that our journey is more comfortable. ठीक है, there are persons who clean the train also, they clean the railway station also, and in the same manner there are many persons. क्योंकि आप जब ट्रेन से जाते हो तो आप क्या, यू गो ट्रेन फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर, लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस पे जाते हो तो आप ट्रेन से जाते हो या बस से जाते हो या एरोप्लेन से जाते हो. बट हैव यू ऑब्जर्व, देयर आर मेनी पर्सन हु आर डूइंग लॉट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क so that we get good facilities and we are more comfortable at the time when we are doing journey in train or whether it's a bus or in a aeroplane. So see student, they are cleaning the train also, they are cleaning the railway stations also. Is it clear? In the same manner many persons are in airport also and bus stands also. So student, this is our duty is also that we should cooperate them, because they are doing all this to provide us a good facilities. ठीक है, वो हमारे लिए वर्क कर रहे हैं कि हमें बेटर फैसिलिटीज मिल सके. तो दिस इज आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आल्सो दैट वी शुड कॉपरेट देम. हम उन्हें क्या करें बेटा, कॉपरेट करें. हमें ये नहीं सोचना है कि उनको तो उनका ये जॉब है, ठीक है, उनका तो जॉब है वो तो करेंगे, ऐसा नहीं है बेटा. ठीक है, वी शुड कॉपरेट देम. आई नो दे हैव अ जॉब in that area, but it doesn't matter, everyone is doing job somewhere. हर कोई जॉब कर रहा है. ठीक है, तो हमें ये नहीं सोचना है कि उनका जॉब करना है, सफाई का काम करना है, ये सब वो उनका जॉब है। ऐसा नहीं है, सारे लोग कहीं ना कहीं जॉब करते हैं मनी के लिए। सो वी शुड कॉपरेट देम बिकॉज दे आर डूइंग वेरी हार्ड वर्क टू प्रोवाइड गुड फैसिलिटीज to us so that we feel comfortable in that places. Okay, so student, we should take care of public properties. So I discuss some of the points with you that these types of things we not do at the time of journey, whether we are going by bus or by train or by aeroplane. Okay, so we should not, what we should not do, that I am discussing. First point, spoil the seeds by tearing, cutting, or scratching. So these these facilities are for us student, ये facilities हमारे लिए हैं, ठीक है. If everyone take care of these types of things, then we get the better facility. Okay, क्योंकि आप कभी भी जाओगे, few buses they are in very bad condition, सीट्स टूटी हैं, बैठते नहीं बन रहा है. तो बस ड्राइवर ही इज ड्राइविंग द बस, कंडक्टर इज कलेक्टिंग द मनी. सो हु इज यूजिंग दैट पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी? पीपल्स आर यूजिंग. और ऐसा है, लोग करते हैं ऐसा, ठीक है. बस के फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्पॉइल द सीट्स बाय टेयरिंग, ठीक है. जो सीट्स बैठने के लिए बनी है उन्हें फाड़ना नहीं चाहिए. देखो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है. देख कोई दूसरा, क्योंकि इसको क्या है, वी आर यूजिंग दिस पब्लिक फैसिलिटीज, हम ये पब्लिक फैसिलिटीज यूज कर रहे हैं, तो हमारी ही ड्यूटी है. ओके, दिस इज आवर ड्यूटी. डोंट स्पॉइल द सीट्स, सीट्स नहीं खराब करनी है, उन्हें टेयरिंग फाड़ के, ठीक है. कटिंग, अगर कोई शार्प चीज है, कुछ है, बच्चे क्या करते हैं, बच्चे क्या बड़े भी कर देते हैं, कोई सीट है काट दिया. और स्क्रैचिंग द सीट्स, ठीक है. तो ये सब चीजें हमें नहीं करनी चाहिए. इज इट क्लियर? वेदर वी आर इन द बस or in train or in aeroplane, we don't do these types of things. Okay, second point, litter the toilets. So see, if you see in the trains or anywhere, or even you see in the buses, many peoples they are eating the things, and after that eatable items they throw inside the bus. When the bus stop, go down, or maybe in the moving bus, no need to take out your hand outside. When the bus stop on any bus stand, then you can throw the waste material outside. That is the right method. But you will see maximum type, lot of waste material, eating items are you will see in the bus. So from where these eating items are coming? People, those who are sitting, they are eating and they are throwing the things in the bus only. So this is not right. Okay, this is not right. And in the same manners, litters the toilets in trains. Okay, so when you are using the toilet, so be careful, वाटर डाल देना चाहिए बेटा. और बहुत से लोग ऐसा भी करते हैं, खाना वाना जो भी कुछ खाया है, फेंकने की जगह नहीं मिली तो गए टॉयलेट वाले वहीं फेंक दिया सब. सो दिस इज नॉट राइट. आप सोचते हो कि मेरा स्टेशन आ जाएगा, हम तो उतर जाएंगे, अब क्या है? एवरीवन विल थिंक इन सच ए मैनर, देन हाउ यू विल गेट अ गुड फैसिलिटीज? तो तुम्हें कैसे गुड फैसिलिटीज मिल सकती हैं? इज इट क्लियर? देयर इज अ प्रॉपर डस्टबिन इन द ट्रेन्स आल्सो. There you can throw the waste materials. Okay, many peoples after washing their hand with the and after that they are leaving the soap or hand wash in the basin. So that due to this, the water, due to this there is lot of problem. So when you are using the toilets, be careful and do not throw waste things in the toilets also. Do not throw waste things in the toilet also. Is it clear? Break the electric fittings. See student, don't break the electric fittings, because in a train or in a bus, so there is also electric fittings are there in the inside the train also, even in the buses also. And you will see there are lot of fans, and this facilities is for the public only. So don't break the electric fittings of the buses, train or aeroplane. इज इट क्लियर? वैसे तो ये मैक्सिमम ज्यादा बसेस और ट्रेन में ही होता है, एरोप्लेन्स में उतना नहीं होता है. मैक्सिमम ये प्रॉब्लम बेटा बसेस और ट्रेन्स में ही आती है. इज इट क्लियर? सो डोंट डू दैट और वट एवर. नेक्स्ट है स्पॉइल द विंडो और डोर्स. ठीक है, तो हमें विंडोज और डोर्स को भी डैमेज नहीं करना चाहिए, तोड़ना फोड़ना नहीं चाहिए, नहीं डैमेज करना चाहिए. एंड वट एवर द पॉइंट्स आर गिवन द बुक, इट हैपन स्टूडेंट. अगर आप ऑब्जर्व करना, वट एवर पॉइंट्स आर गिवन इन द बुक टू डिस्कस विद यू, these things happens. Okay, these things happens. Spoil the seat by tearing, cutting or scratching. You observe it. In many buses you will find that seat, they are scratched or they are teared by someone. So these things happen in the buses or in the trains. That is the reason this point is given. Litter the toilet. Okay, break the electric fittings. Break the electric fitting, that is also not right. And spoil the windows or doors. Okay, so be careful student. Don't think that you are only in 1 year or in 6 months, 1 or 2 time you are using this facility. So these facilities are for you, for your benefit. So when you are doing journey in any of these things, so be careful. Don't do these types of things. Don't do these types of things. If you are doing, it means you will not get the good facilities. Is it clear? क्योंकि बेटा ये इतनी जल्दी रिपेयर नहीं होती हैं. जो बसेस की सीट्स खराब हैं, आप रेगुलर जाओ देखो वो हमेशा ही ऐसी रहेंगी. ये इतनी जल्दी रिपेयर नहीं होती हैं. इज इट क्लियर? सो दैट इज द रीजन यूज दिस फैसिलिटीज आर फॉर यू. ये फैसिलिटीज आपके लिए है. सो बी केयरफुल व्हेन यू आर यूजिंग दैम. इन द स्कूल्स में भी यही है. बेंचेस एंड टेबल्स are for sitting, and you at the time of study you put your books and other things. So even when the student, no one is in the class, even the student in the school, many times it happened they throw the desks, and many of the desks are broken and benches are broken. तो ऐसा बच्चे भी स्कूल में करते हैं, तभी ना बेंचेस ब्रेक होते हैं. होता है ना ऐसा. सो इन द सेम मैनर many peoples are doing this. Many peoples are doing these types of activity in at the time of journey. So due to them others are also facing the problem. Few peoples are doing, and due to them other peoples are also facing the problem. So whenever if someone is doing in front of you, then you can tell him also, that is, this is not good. This is public property and we all are taking the benefit of these things. Our life has become more easier and comfortable due to these things. So we should not spoil them. Is it clear? So if someone is doing wrong in front of you, so you can even tell to that person also. Okay, now see next. Let's discuss about the public parks. See, next is the public parks. कम्युनिटी सर्विसेज में मैंने आप लोग को बताया था रास के फंक्शन, रेजिडेंशियल वेलफेयर एसोसिएशन सोसाइटी, बताया था ना. So this is also one of the main function of that RA is that they maintain the park of the colony. ठीक है. So अब यहां देखते हैं पब्लिक पार्क्स के बारे में. देखो, द गवर्नमेंट हैज बिल्ट अ नंबर ऑफ पब्लिक पार्क. देयर आर नंबर ऑफ पब्लिक पार्क्स दैट इज बिल्ट बाय द गवर्नमेंट. ठीक है. जैसे अब आप वाराणसी की बात करोगे तो आप सारनाथ चले जाओ. इज इट क्लियर? सारनाथ चले जाओ, फिर वो आप लंका जा सकते हो, रविदास पार्क है. इज इट क्लियर? सो दीज ऑल आर बिल्ट बाय अ गवर्नमेंट. तो इन द सेम मैनर देखो, एवरी कॉलोनी हैज स्मॉल पार्क्स फॉर चिल्ड्रन एंड अदर पीपल. देखो, ये ऑलरेडी मैंने कम्युनिटी सर्विसेज में भी डिस्कस किया था. दिस इज वन ऑफ द इंपॉर्टेंट रोल ऑफ द रा इज दैट टू मेंटेन द पार्क ऑफ द कॉलोनी, बिकॉज पार्क इज द प्लेस इन विच द no boundation of the age. Person of any age group can go there, whether it's a kid, old one, young one, elders, anyone can go in the park. So student, this is also our duty to take care of the parks and follow the rules. ठीक है. आप लोग को याद है जब आप लोग को हम लोग लेके गए थे सारनाथ में, यू रिमेंबर दैट, लॉट ऑफ आपने एंजॉय किया, खूब खाए आप लोग. ठीक है, खूब टिफिन लाए थे. फिर आफ्टर दैट यू प्ले लॉट ऑफ गेम्स and in the last, before, at the time when we are coming back from the Sarnath Park, last 10 minutes, what we do? We clean the park, because there are so many wrappers. Okay, so before we left that place, we clean that place and we throw all the waste material in the dustbin, and then we come back. Do you remember? ऐसा ही किया था ना हमने, खूब एंजॉय किया, और कितने बच्चों ने तो अपने रैपर्स अपने बैग में ही रख लिए थे, घर आके जाके उन्होंने फेंके होंगे। ऐसा भी कुछ बच्चों ने किया था कि दे केप्ट देयर रैपर्स इनसाइड द बैग आल्सो। और मैनी, और आफ्टर दैट बिफोर कमिंग हमने पूरे ग्राउंड को क्लीन कराया था। ठीक है, सारे रैपर्स जितने भी थे, मोस्ट टॉफीज रैपर, चॉकलेट रैपर, बिस्किट रैपर्स, ठीक है। सो in the last we collect all the wrappers and then we throw that wrappers in the dustbin. ये किया था ना हमने। so student, park is a place for you, so you must take care of this. Okay, this is also our responsibility, that this is a public property and this is for us, so we should take care of these things. Okay, now 3 points are given. First point is not to pluck स्पेशली छोटे बच्चे क्या, बड़े बच्चे भी बहुत करते हैं। when they go to the parks and they look here and there, if no one is seeing, then they pluck the flower from the plants. This is not good. This is not good. If you enter in a park and plants are without the flower, how it looks? So that beauty is for all of us. So when you go to the park, do not pluck the flowers, and not pluck flower or the grass in the park. ग्रास इन द पार्क क्या, बच्चे खेलते हैं तो क्या, चलो घास तोड़ तोड़ के फेंकते रहते हैं एक दूसरे पे, ये भी एक गेमी टाइप का है। ठीक है, तो दिस थिंग वी डोंट डू दिस थिंग्स व्हेन यू आर इन द पार्क। सेकंड है अगेन, नॉट टू लिटर द पार्क, not to with the wrappers, empty bottles, extra. Third is plant more trees. So not to litter the park with the wrappers, empty bottle extra. ठीक है, ये पॉइंट आपको बिल्कुल क्लियर होगा, क्योंकि लास्ट ईयर जब आपकी पिकनिक गई थी, बिफोर कमिंग बैक हमने सारे पार्क को क्लीन किया था ना, आप सबने मिलके किया था। दैट इज अ ग्रुप एक्टिविटी done by you. We throw all the wrappers, bottle, anything in the dustbin and then we come back. This is a good habit, you can say good manners. And student, plants more trees, because trees are our lifeline. Without them life is possible? No, life is not possible. Is it clear? So plants more trees. So this thing we discuss, and even the parks are maintained in the colony by the RAS. Okay, they also take care for the maintenance of the park in the colony, and they do this with the cooperation of the community peoples, those who are living in that area. Okay student, thank you.